What's the meaning of cannonball? Cannonball. Cannonball.
Cannonball. Cannonball. A cannonball is a round projectile typically fired from a cannon. It is often made of iron or other dense materials and is designed to cause destruction upon impact. The term cannonball can also be used figuratively to describe a person who makes a forceful or energetic entrance into a place or situation, such as she came into the party like a cannonball. In this sense, it suggests someone who is lively, enthusiastic, and perhaps a little bit chaotic, creating a dramatic and memorable impression.